Hi there, I'm Chun Yu from the Denver Museum of Nature and Science, and today we will talk about how to create a 2D slide module for Uniview using a template from the Worldviews network. Before I start, I want to switch my screen to my desktop so that you can see what I am seeing. And I am going to go to the files.worldviews.net website, which is where you can download the template file if you don't already have it. So we're at files.worldviews.net. There's a technical folder, and inside here you see a 2D slides template zip file amongst other template files. I've already downloaded it, and so let's take a look at this. Here is the 2D slides folder. I'm dragging it onto my desktop. And what I will do is I want to personalize this. So I'm going to go ahead and rename this to my slides. And when I open it up, you can see that there are a number of image files that are already in here. Of course, you can go ahead and copy your own image files, but I'm going to keep these as is. They are pretty simple, as you can see. And since I've changed the folder name, I'm going to go ahead and change the mod file to reflect this new My Slides naming convention. There's a license file that you can change to stipulate the terms of your license. If you decide to share your module, I won't mess with that. There's also a module definition file, which is used in Uniview when you add this module to your profile. So I will go ahead and modify the name and the description as well. And there's also a .mod file. And when we look at the .mod file, you can see that there are the names for each of the slide objects. And so they're called just slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. And as you see, we also need to change the name of the folder as it appears in this file from 2D slides to My Slides. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then there are these slide names, or the file names for the images. And I'm not going to change these since I haven't replaced the image files with my own files. The other parameters that you can change include the field of view. So in this case, the first slide is 60 degrees by 60 degrees. And the next one is 60 by 45 and 60 by 45 for the third one. So you can alter the field of view to actually make your slide look correct inside Uniview. And you can also change other parameters like the rotation and the offset, which places the slide inside the dome. But we're going to leave those as is. And let's go ahead and close this and start up Uniview. I will open up the user folder, and I'm going to move my slides into the custom modules so that Uniview can discover it. Let's make sure that it's in there. And we will edit the profile. I'm going to be using my test profile. And let's scroll down to look for My Slides, since that's what we had changed the name of this module to in modules definition. So here it is. Turn it on, save that to the profile, and then we're going to start the profile. Now, slide images do not appear in the object tree, so nowhere in here will you find your slides. In order to turn them on, you have to use a custom event or use a command in the command console. And as you recall, the slides were just called slide 1, slide 2, and slide 3. So I'm going to turn on slide 1, give it a property value, set the alpha value to 100%, meaning it's no longer transparent, and the amount of time, 1 second is fine. And so here's slide 1, and as you might remember, the slide 1 was set to be 60 degrees by 60 degrees, and so it looks pretty square. I'm going to turn it off by turning the alpha to 0 on that. And similarly, I can turn on slide 2, and turn slide 2 off, and then turn on slide 3. Now, obviously, you probably don't want to be typing this during a program, but and so you might want to create custom events buttons to turn these slides on and off. So with that, this is how to create a 2D slide module using a Worldviews Network slide template. Thank you for watching.